Folks, this live stream is brought to you by my sponsor AAA FX. Now, they're a fully regulated broker in Europe and South Africa, offering Forex indices, commodities, crypto, and over 100 stocks. Now, at AAA FX, you pay no commission on any Forex pair using their ECN Plus account and low commissions on cryptos and stocks. Plus, you can deposit with cash or crypto, get a free VPS with deposits over 5K, and easily integrate the well-known copy trade service Zulu Trade. While you're waiting for the stream to start, go and check them out by clicking the link in the description, comments, or visit AAAFX.com. Rightio, folks, here we are on another live stream. I'm absolutely shattered. I shouldn't really be here, but hey, we're going to do it again. We're running out of time here. We're doing this Fidelcrest challenge where it's not going so well, I've got to say, but we're trying out scalping on the 2-minute chart, Euro US dollar, down 4.21%. It's late yesterday. It wasn't great. It wasn't the greatest of days in terms of things going around on the charts. We've got 8 days left, which means plus the weekend, we've only really got next week. So that's where we're at. We got 2 trades, giving ourselves 2 trades before we shut up shop for the night. And that's how we're going to roll. Okay, so 2 trades. We might even jump on the 1-minute chart. We've opened it up after yesterday's 2-minute opportunities weren't really there. We'll probably use the 2 minutes as a base and then the 1 minute as a potential opportunity to get us in. Okay. So that's the 1 minute, 2 minutes here. Let's add a couple more things to this chart. Right. Okay, so we closed above the 200 here. It's the 1 minute's potential coming down to retest this level here. I might even draw up on the 1 minute as well. So that could be a nice place that we come down and retest. Assuming that we don't, assuming we maintain that. So what I'm going to do is actually set up an order here, because I think we should be going a little bit higher to these levels here before we do anything. That's the thinking here anyway. So we're going to actually hit buy on that and get that order in there. So the thinking being, we hit the 200, where we've had a good strong move up. We're going to come down, hit this level of support, hit that level there, come back up and close above this trend line. Okay, so we need a few things to happen. The worst case scenario will be price comes down, closes inside that. Let's draw it here. So the worst scenario is it comes down and closes somewhere on the other side of the line. Really worst case scenario is it closes in there, which sort of happened yesterday. So that's what we're looking to do, is trying to get in, expecting it to find support at this line in this area here, and then push up to the next one there. So I think the entry point's pretty good. It could be a little bit higher, because we've also got the moving average there as well, which is probably going to provide some kind of resistance. And we might even make a call on whether or not this thing is going to just take off and just cancel this order. So here we go, pushing down. What's it, 49 minutes past the hour. The other thing it may do is get us just stop here and then bounce back up. Okay, so we haven't closed but below, so that's still a potentially good sign. Okay, we're getting hit that level there and said, no, we're not going to go below it yet. Now I'm looking at it now, I'm thinking there is some good reason for it to come all the way down to here. But we've got 2 chances, so we're going to keep this one and we're going to see if we get this right. Because I think overall it's going to be going up. And if it does close just below this level here, we will probably close 75% of it, because there is quite a big distance to the stop, so that'll actually keep us in the trade. And if it pushes up, then we've at least got out. We could get out for some profit and then start again. Okay, 50 seconds left. What's the 1 minute showing us here? Okay, the 1 minute's not looking too bad. Although that's it, the 1 minute is already broken. It's about to break this trend line here, so we need to be conscious of that. And we've got some protection there. Didn't quite get us in. Didn't quite get us in there. Just missed. That's the moving average. Okay, so we need to be looking at this. 10 seconds left. If it closes below that line, we're going to delete this order, because it's 2, 1, yeah, delete. So that to me is a break of the trend, and we're now looking for shorts. I wouldn't want to go in here only because we've got this and that was our original plan. But I'm thinking we could be looking more for down here now. Somewhere down here. And if we're on the 1, have we got anything there we could actually... Nah, it's just too risky. There's too much going on. Too much going on. In fact, the 1 minute is slightly off target here. So you could call this a retest of that trend line there. Yeah, 1 minute's a bit, is usually too fast. I always struggle on the 1 minute. Too fast, too much thinking, and not enough time to make a decision is why I've gone to the 2 minute. I did actually trade the 1 minute for a long time, and that's what I found. It's like things happen too fast, and if you just, like, especially doing it live with an audience and stuff, it's just too much thinking there, Mr. Northern Star. Okay, if we get a big push down here and a reversal signal here, then we might think about it then. Let's get this here. Okay, if we're going to get in there, what have we got? We just want to see some rejection, I think, first, before diving in. Oh, what's going on? I'm going from 2 to 1 in the wrong spot. You idiot. That's the 2 minute line. And that's my 1 minute line. Okay, had we taken that trade, would be in water now. We would have got to that point, closed our 75%, and tried to get out the rest here. But we would have been seeing it go down. The 25 didn't come through. So potential here. Okay, so we could somewhere around here. Okay, if it gets to that level there, I'd be happy to take a buy. So the thinking here is, okay, yeah, it may reverse, but it's still not looking like it's going to do anything on the 1 minute. So this, if it's going to go, this would be your signal here. In fact, that's a pretty good signal. I've got the right indicator on this one. That's a pretty good 1 minute signal. But yeah, we missed it. See, that's why I don't like the 1 minute now. I do need to add an indicator on here. What the hell have I done in the 1 minute again? Oh, I keep doing that. I'm on the 1 minute now. Candle closing time. Bottom right, silver will do. Okay. So if we got on the 1 minute, this is why I don't, the other reason I don't like trading it. So I probably would have tried to get in there, would have got slipped up here. Now my stop's humongous compared to where I wanted to get in. My whole risk to reward's out of whack. The other thing I would have done is waited for it to come back and tried to get on a limit order. We would have missed the move. And so we could have been, what, 3.6, almost 1 hour up. So we're going to have to potentially look for a second entry here. 27 seconds left. And this is where I don't like the slippage on the 1 minute. Let's see what that turns out to be. It's looking like it could be all right. Hold. Okay, we got it. So for those new here, so that's the R that we've got. That's the current profit up into the commission, 111 there. So we're trying to, in this case, we just want to get above commission before we shut the trade, which it's being fed through to Fidelcrest anyway. So it is, in fact, a trade on a different server than this one, different broker. So it's going to hit the 200 there. Expect some kind of reaction. So we got protection of the moving average. That's about it, really. That's about it. Let's see if we hit that 200. Okay, we've come back and retested that line. No, we've just retested. I've just realized what we've done. No, we did close above it though. If we close below that, we may struggle with that. That might be our only support there, that 2 minute. Okay, that's our moving average there on the 1 minute. 11 seconds left. This is the 1 minute stuff. There's too much going on for me to think about. 1 minute's looking like a dead trade there. Yep. So another one bites the dust. So what did we do? We hit that, we bounced up to that level there, gave us a sign that we could go higher. To think the 200 scared everyone off, and then they just sold. Right. So this is, I think, going to be our, let's have a look, 9.9, 9.9. It's the 10 o'clock candle. That's what I missed. Okay, we're coming down to this level here. Let's see if we've got a position that's going to hold, or if this was just a big fake out to get everyone's orders out and we're really going lower. Even though the hourly, from what I could see, was a good buy signal. And that isn't a bad, we are in a downtrend, that's the only thing. No, we've got a chance here. We've got a chance. So this is what we're thinking. It's going to hit these two trend lines, and that will be us home and hosed if it does hit. 1 minute left on this candle. Okay, are we going to get anything? 23 seconds. 12 seconds to hit that trend line. We're really on the cusp of it. If it does hit and stay, we're really on the cusp. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. We might trail it if we get a bull. No, didn't get the fill. Still didn't get the fill. Okay, we got the fill. Right, have we got any luck on our side? 0.5. So where could we be expecting this to go to? It's our first area of resistance in my mind, but we've got to get there first. 28 seconds. May not be in luck. $16 seconds, so we need to see this close on the right side of our trend lines, or else we're going to probably just get out. Okay, this is going to keep us in for a little bit longer. What else have we got here? Not the best reaction, but it was all right. It's okay. We can live with it. Let's have a look at the 1 minute just to see if there's anything helping us here. No. Potentially. Okay. Back to 0.5. 0.75. One hour. Two seconds left. Not the strongest ball. We're going to stake. We're going to give ourselves a chance here. We're going to move the stop to break even. Right, 1 minute. We'll see if we can get 50% at 2 hour if we're lucky. This is probably going to come back and retest this euro US dollar. Let's have a look at the 1 minute again. What's it telling us? We've got a single bear. We've got a single bull. And we've got 41 seconds left. 26. Let's see. 17. Come on, let's have a ball. Any ball will do at this point in time. Any ball will do. Right, so if we can get to there, we're going to take some profit. We'll take 50%. And I don't believe I'm managing the trade on that one as things as this one here. Let's have a look at the 1 minute. Could that be it? Come on. One second. That's not flash. We're going to take 50% on the wrong chart. Okay, 50%. And we'll just manage this one. Okay, so it's retested that on the 1 minute. Where's it going to close above 15 seconds? Let's have a look. It looks like it could. It's too okay, that keeps us in. Right, we're at the top of that range again. Did close above the moving average for 5 minute doing. Inconclusive. Let's see what this does. 1 minute. 15 seconds. Ideally, we want it to close above the moving average and that line. That could be all right. Okay, it's gapped up. We're going to move the stock to here, though. So I think it's going to struggle to get past that line. Let's have a look. So it needs to break through 2 barriers now, which is probably going to be a lot. But I think overall, the owl was saying up to those lines up there. So we've broken through it. Can we hold 21 seconds? The comp, when does the comp end? Terry, just get involved, mate. I should have put an end date on it. I think that's probably the reason. It ends tomorrow. Sorry, guys, you can't see Terry's comment there because he's on Facebook. The comp ends tomorrow, so get going, mate. If you've ordered a webcam, don't worry about it. You don't need the webcam in the first go anyway. It's going to take a while for it to arrive, so don't worry too much about it. Okay, just get involved. Folks, there's a comp underneath the thing. You've got a chance to do the Fidelcrest 50K challenge. Hang on, who's Slasher? Oh, is that you, Terry? On that must be you on on YouTube, right? Okay, so we've got 2 here. What are we looking like? Just close above the 200. We've got some stuff going on here. Okay, we probably may want to lock some profit in. It's just going to be one of those awkward ones. Can we let it ride? This is the telltale candle. If it closes below this line here, we in fact, what we're going to do is we're going to go like that, because if it closes below, we're gone. Right, we've got nothing left, so we're just hoping that it doesn't come back. So that's the telltale. So gets to here, we might actually take another 50. Actually 25. 50. I think 50, 25, 75. We'll take 25. Oops, I'll get rid of that message from you, Slasher. Sorry, guys, I'm not managing the comments very well here. Right. Okay. Yeah, that should be all right. It's just staying inside. Okay, we're going to take 25 at that line. We'll go now. Right. So we've still got a little bit of the order remaining. View toolbox. 276. So it's a fair chunk of the order remaining. What's that going to get? 149. Two seconds left. Did it close above? Not really. Not really. 1 minute? Not really. It didn't. This is where you go. Did we close at 3R? Or are we going to be in for a breakout? 40 seconds. Right. Here's the call. We're going to go for these. In fact, we're going to go for this lower one. Okay, breakout, retest. Let's just have a look at this one. Just 200. Can we get a close above the 200? 1 minute left. All right, we're looking for a reversal pattern here. I mean, that's not good. That's a good sign that we could get out. 4R. It's got to pull back at some point, right? We might trail it. We don't want to give back that much. Okay, could it hit this one? Could that be the one? It's broken everything else. We got a double top here. If it holds, let's see. If we've got a bear, then we're probably going to shut it. How far have we got to go? It's only 1 pip away, for crying out loud. We're damn almost there. So it's basically these things over here. Okay, we're out. Yeah, that was it. It's basically got there. 4R, not bad, not bad. We will take that and run for the day. So half decent trade. So this broker's got, okay, so let's just, so how many pips spread EU from your broker? So this broker is IC Markets, and this is why I'm using it, because the spread here is like zero. That is a bid and ask line there, the blue line, you can hardly see it. But the spread's pretty much zero, so I use them because it's zero. So the broker that it's feeding through to won't have zero spread, but I don't send through the accurate stop loss and take profit. So what I'll do is I'll send through the take profit. Like, do I send through? No, sorry, the stop loss. I'll send through like a stop loss with a 10 pip buffer on it, and the take profit I will actually. I don't even do the take profit. So when it closes the trade, when it gets out of a trade, it just gets out on that broker. You use social trading tools is what I use to copy it across. Euro explode now. Well, it's exploding in the opposite direction. Oh, you entered. You entered. Yay, well done. Right, I'm going to check your entry, Slasher, Terry. Okay. You just, you didn't fill it in correctly either. I didn't think you would, because I'm guessing you just want to have a crack at it. All right, with that in mind, you're gonna have to send me something, eh? You're gonna have to send me like something of you talking, so that I can at least see what you like, and do a bit of price action. Just a video. Just send me a video. How did you learn about price action? And you're reading candles very accurately. It took a long time, and I got some information from some people that have put me under NDA, so I can't say a lot. Hence why I don't say anything really, other than talking about generic things like trend lines and stuff. Unrelated, but are you a Kiwi? Yes, I am a Kiwi. Born in near Wellington. I've got a bit of an English accent because I've spent quite a bit of time there. My wife's English, and weirdly enough, a lot of my friends are as well. So here's where I'd be going short if we were going to go short. I think that's a good sell on the 1 minute, but I'm not going to take it. I'm done for the day. And if that breaks down there, we could be getting it. We could be getting out of there somewhere. Let's have a look. FX markets now closed for the weekend. How are you live trading now? Because it's not closed, mate. Sandy, it's not closed. What? This is Euro US dollar on IC markets, so it's not closed. So I don't know what broker you've got, but obviously it's not working at the moment. Okay. All right, folks, I'm probably going to leave it there. Let's just have a look at this Fidelcrest thing. Hopefully we have made an improvement on the minus 4.1. Don't tell me it didn't take the trade. What? Maybe it didn't take the trade on Fidelcrest. You're kidding me, right? Or it's just slow to update. What? Oh, maybe the Fidelcrest profit 312. Where's the rest of it? Oh no, here we go, 150 and 6. Take profit 0. Take profit 0. 312 minus, that was the loss. Maybe it doesn't do the partials. Oh no. Maybe it doesn't do the partials. You're kidding me. I don't think I've actually, well, I have done that. I don't think it closed the I don't think it took any of the additional trades on the Fidelcrest thing from what I was doing. It doesn't look like it did. So Fidelcrest is actually saying that I'm basically worse off because I think it closed, and it's not Fidelcrest. Hang on, I'll show you in a second. Crying out loud. Typical. So this is what it's showing, 4.28. So we've had no growth on the account. And so we took that loss. Oh, actually, no, sorry, I lie. It did take it, did it? Is it saying that we only made, oh, with all of that taking partials, I think we only made like 1R in the end. $70 on that position there. That was the first position closed. The second one was 25%. And then the last one was, so basically all said and done, why was that one so small? Oh, it was 50%. But it was 1.5R, so that should have been like $250 or more. It should have been like $300. Oh, hang on, what? 2, 10, 20, 11, 17, 20. So that one there obviously got slipped or something. So that was 16. Oh, was it the commission on the 1 minute? Because that was 16 lots and that was only 5 lots. I don't know, but either way, it didn't seem to make any money. Crying out loud. Didn't seem to make any money. I can't remember what I was at the start. I'd have to look at rewind the video. But we seem to have been like worse off than when we started. -5, 1, 4, 5. We're basically slightly worse off. So it was a break even. It was a break even and a 1R loss. So we would have been better off just taking the profit at the first exit, taking everything off the table. That can't be right. We took 50% off. We should have increased. I think that's wrong somehow. I think that must have been that one there must have been a screw up. It must have been something to do with the difference in price between the two platforms. That's weird. What do I actually take on here? So that was, okay. Yeah, so it was basically break even, but at least we made money. Oh, hang on, no. With the commission, it was break even. With the commission, it was break even. This is what happens on these lower time frames. So that commission was huge because they're on the 1 minute with a 1 minute entry and huge volume, and we lost, which always doesn't help. And then this commission was half, and we won more, but that profit just got eaten up by commission, so we're basically break even. Okay, them's the breaks. All right, well, them's the breaks. At least it looked good. It looked good for the stream. For crying out loud. Okay. All right, I'm going to leave it there anyway. It's the weekend, and I hope everyone has a great weekend. Thank you for entering the competition there, Terry. Anyone else wants to enter it, there's a link below the video. It's, yeah, basically jump on, do one of these streams, go through and do what I'm doing with the Fidelcrest challenge. You can either mark up charts for or show some trades that you've done. Just come on and run a stream. If you're trying to build a YouTube community, then it's a great way to do it. And yeah, have a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed the content this week, and we got another video coming up on smart money scalping tomorrow, so day after tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, because that one there is going to be fantastic. All right, guys and girls, thank you for watching. We'll see you later.